Hey everyone, welcome to your very first step into the world of web development. Today I'm going to introduce you to HTML, the backbone of all websites. Whether you're aiming to become a professional web developer or just want to tweak your own blog, understanding HTML is essential. So let's dive right in. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language like Python or Java, it's a markup language. That means HTML is the standard way of annotating a document in a way that is syntactically distinguishable from the text. This makes it incredibly powerful for structuring and presenting content on the internet. Now, why should you learn HTML? First off, it's the most basic building block of the web. Every web page you see online is built using HTML. From giant tech companies to personal blogs, HTML is at the core of making information accessible and visually appealing on the internet. Let's start with the basics. An HTML document is made up of elements. These elements are defined by tags written using angle brackets. For example, the tag for a paragraph starts with and ends with. Whatever you put between these tags becomes a paragraph on your web page. One of the great things about HTML is its simplicity. You can create a basic web page with just a few lines of HTML code. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine you want to create a simple page with one heading and one paragraph. Your code would look something like this. This code tells the browser how to structure the page with a title, a heading, and a paragraph, but it's straightforward, right? As you get more comfortable with the basics, you can start exploring more complex elements like embedding images, creating tables, and even adding multimedia like videos or audio clips. Each element has its own set of tags and attributes, giving you a lot of flexibility and control over how your web page looks and functions. Remember, HTML is just the beginning. It's often used alongside CSS for styling and JavaScript for functionality, forming the holy trinity of web development. As you advance, you'll learn how to make your website not just functional, but also beautiful and interactive. So where should you go from here? Start experimenting. There are plenty of resources online where you can learn more about HTML. Practice is key. Try creating different types of content, experiment with different tags, and see what you can build. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding. Dive into the world of HTML and start building something amazing today.